Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to hide, unhide, and view hidden folders in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your Windows 11 computer is completely loaded up and ready to go. Once everything is up and running, we can begin the process. Now, to demonstrate how to hide and unhide folders, you'll need to open File Explorer and select a sample folder to work with. This could be any folder you'd like to test this feature on. Once you've located your chosen folder, right-click on it. A context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, look for and click on Properties. This will open a new window displaying the folder's properties. Within this Properties window, you'll see a section labeled Attributes near the bottom. Here, you'll notice a checkbox next to the word Hidden. To hide your folder, simply click on this checkbox to enable it. The process for unhiding a folder is exactly the same. You just need to go back into Properties and uncheck the Hidden checkbox to make the folder visible again. This gives you quick control over which folders you want to keep out of sight. Now let's move on to viewing hidden folders that are already hidden in Windows 11. At the top part of your File Explorer window, locate and click on the View menu. This menu contains various display options for how your files and folders appear. Within the View menu, look for the Options drop-down. You might also see this referred to as Folder Options. Click on it to open a new window with additional settings. A Folder Options window will appear on your screen. From this window, click on the View tab at the top. This tab contains several important folder settings that control how Windows displays your files and folders. Scroll through the list of settings until you find the option that says Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives. This is a radio button option, so click on it to enable it. This setting tells Windows 11 to reveal any folders that have been marked as hidden. Once you've selected this option, click the Apply button at the bottom of the window to save your changes. And that's it. You've now learned how to hide folders, unhide them, and view all hidden folders in Windows 11. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.